Why is it that in our modern world, almost everything sacred seems negotiable, fluid, or definition of words depends now on the preference, like marriage, gender, wealth, power, parenting, morality, even eternal life. Today we hear things like love is love, even if it defies God's design. Children can raise themselves, they just need freedom. You're not successful unless you're rich. If following Jesus costs too much, maybe it's not worth it. But what if I told you, mga classmates, that 2,000 years ago, Jesus already called out these exact mindsets. And what he said then was way more radical than anything you'll hear on social media now. Mga classmates, the entire Mark 10 is a firestorm of truths that challenge the core of how we live today. Jesus speaks about divorce, children, wealth, pride, and sacrifice. And it's not in a gentle, sugar-coated way. He goes straight for the jugular. So, if you're ready to be uncomfortable, to be called out, and most importantly, to be set free from the lies we've normalized, stay with me for this entire 6-day Bible reading and reflection series of Mark 10. Because the world may celebrate what God condemns, but here in Pulot Aral, we let Jesus set the standard. Mga classmates, this is Doc Jean. Welcome to Pulot Aral.